If you're living in Japan and wanted to invest but don't know how, this video is for you. We'll cover why Japan is worth considering, what are tax advantage accounts, possible investment choices you can make, special rules for US citizens, and the 3 easy steps to begin investing. Why invest in Japan? Japan is the world's 4th largest economy and home to global names like Toyota, Sony, and Nintendo. The yen is weak right now, making Japanese assets relatively cheap for anyone earning stronger currencies. Yet, the country's economy remains stable with low interest rates, and there are government incentives that reward long-term investors. Tax advantage account types. To get started, here are some options you can choose from. Number 1, Shin NISA or New NISA, which launched January 2024. It's open to anyone who resides in Japan, and all capital gains and dividends are tax-free. There are 2 parts in this Shin NISA account. Tsumetate, which is a more passive investing option of the Shin NISA with a 1.2 million yen annual limit and a 6 million yen lifetime limit. And a growth option, which has more stocks to choose from when compared to Tsumetate. This has a 2.4 million yen annual limit and a 12 million yen lifetime limit. The total lifetime contribution for both parts combined is 18 million yen. Or iDeco, individual type defined contribution pension. For people who plan on retiring in Japan, it's a good retirement savings option. Contributions are limited to select mutual funds, bonds, and ETFs. Withdrawals are locked until age 60. Early cash out is possible only if you are not a Japanese citizen and are leaving Japan, you opened the account less than 5 years ago, or you have under 250,000 yen in the account. Overall, it's best for people who expect to retire in Japan long term. Main investment choices. Index funds and ETFs are passive and low cost. Popular Japanese trackers, Nikkei 225 and Topics. For global exposure, look at S&P 500, MSCI World or Emerging Market ETFs, Vanguard and EMAX's Slim Funds. REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts, give property exposure without buying. Several Japan REIT Index ETFs trade on the TSE. Stocks and dividend plays. Active investors can buy individual names. Well-known dividend payers include Mitsubishi UFJ, SoftBank, and Japan Tobacco. Using a NISA account, small gains are tax-free. Bonds and fixed income. Japanese government bonds have modest yields but high safety. Foreign currencies bonds are also available through domestic brokers. Special considerations for US citizens. Americans face extra hurdles because of IRS rules and FATCA. You must report all foreign holdings. NISA and iDeco are not tax exempt under US law. Some Japanese brokers like Rakuten, SBI may no longer open accounts for US citizens. Workarounds. You can use Interactive Brokers or a US brokerage to buy Japan-listed ETFs in dollars. Or consider US-listed yen-hedged ETFs. Forex trading is another option if you're comfortable with currency markets. Married to a Japanese national, you can fund your spouse's NISA or iDeco. But remember, that ties your retirement money to both their choices and your marriage. How to start? 3 steps. Step 1. Choose a brokerage. The top platforms are Rakuten, SBI, Monex, and Interactive Brokers. You can open an account online. You'll need a My Number card or a resident card, plus a domestic bank account. Step 2, open a tax advantage account. Pick Shin NISA for flexible, tax-free growth. Add iDeco only if you plan to retire here or can meet the narrow early exit rules. Step 3, fund and allocate. Set up automatic monthly transfers. Small, consistent contributions beat occasional large ones. For passive investing, select an all-world or Nikkei Topics ETF in the Tsumetate slot. Active investors can research individual Japanese stocks or REITs for the growth slot. Keep tax deadlines in mind and save quarterly statements for both Japanese and, if relevant, foreign tax filings. Final tips and diversification. That's the roadmap. Choose a broker, open new NISA or iDeco if they fit your timeline, and start with simple, low-cost funds. Once you're comfortable, branch out into stocks, REITs, or bonds. If you've already been investing in Japan, share your experience in the comments. Your tips help everyone. Also, check out the full article on Gaijin Plot blog in the description for more information about how to invest in Japan. If you found this helpful, give us a like and hit subscribe for more practical videos on life, work, and living in Japan.